Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials and taking the first action now. Pick up 3 iron rods, 2 copper ingots, and a lightning core. These parts form the craftable lightning rod. Walk to a workbench placed near a high ground tile because proximity to storms raises activation chances. Once done, open the crafting menu, select the lightning rod schematic, and hit Craft. Make sure to conserve materials by closing other menus and confirming you have the exact counts before committing to the build. Now you move into the detailed build and placement steps. At the workbench, assemble the rod carefully. Crafting consumes materials immediately, so confirm quantities. Once crafted, carry the rod to a 1x1 elevated tile and place it upright, facing open sky to maximize strikes. If the game permits linking to power or water grids, connect the rod so strikes are safely channeled. This both activates defensive bonuses and prevents damage. Make sure to test placement by waiting 1 storm cycle. Finish by validating the rod during storm conditions and solving common issues. You should wait through 1 full storm. If no lightning hits, reposition to a higher tile or move away from tall obstructions. Once done, repair bent components and replace any missing parts promptly because degradation reduces effectiveness. If problems persist after 2 storms, upgrade the rod or check linked systems for faults. This increases strike probability. Make sure to save before major changes so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.